Today we're cooking corn dogs in the air fryer. Are they good for you? No, heck no. Are they delicious? Yes. Let's get started. These are frozen corn dogs straight from the freezer right into the air fryer. All right, we've preheated our air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll place our corn dogs in the air fryer. Where else would we put them? And we will cook for 12 minutes total. We'll flip them over at 6 minutes. These have cooked for 6 minutes. Let's pull them out, flip them over. Ow! That's hot. Ow! That's hot. All right, now we're gonna cook another 6 minutes. Hi, Annie girl. You're a good girl. There's our corn dogs, they're ready. They have cooked 12 minutes total. Let's pull them out carefully because they're hot. There's 1, 2, ouch. 3, ouch. 4, ouch. Nicely done. All right, we're gonna try one. That's crunchy on the outside and hot and delicious on the inside. Highly recommended. Enjoy.